AkzoNobel has had a good quarter in the fourth quarter, just like its peers, a top line growth of around 34%. The bottom line as well grew 18%. And we spoke to Rajiv Rajgopal of AkzoNobel India. He's the MD, and he said that in the fourth quarter, what was encouraging was the fact that the growth was very secular. So across AkzoNobel's product profiles as well as geographies, there was growth that was witnessed. In fact, he said that in the beginning of the fourth quarter, the growth was actually higher than what they had estimated. The metro segment as well saw strong growth. Remember that I think what distinguishes AkzoNobel from the other paint companies is firstly its higher salience to the metro regions, and also the fact that it has more premium, more luxury products in its portfolio than its peers. Both of which, of course, in the recent scenario may not have boded well, because remember that it was the metros that was hit more badly by COVID, and obviously with with the decreasing purchasing power in the hands of the customers due to the crisis, the luxury segment could take a hit. It's more the solution-oriented products that customers would go for. Now, Rajiv talks about the impact of the lockdown and the second wave, and he says that yes, it has been hard. In fact, he does see a short-term challenge as well, but that's what it will be, just a short-term challenge, and that the long-term outlook still remains very strong. Growth this year is definitely going to be much better. The company has invested a lot in distribution as well, in expanding its reach, its penetration, so that as well will bode well. Of course, the Achilles heels for all paint companies is the costs, because raw materials, right from crude and HDPE, which is used to make paint, to even packaging up that paint, that's tin, has seen almost a V-shaped recovery in the last 1 year, or should I say a price surge in the last 1 year, largely reaching those pre-COVID levels, which means those days of low raw material costs are now behind paint companies. Now, Akzo says, and Rajiv says that they've been very liberal really in hiking prices, because he says they've taken a 3% price hike in May and then a 5% price hike in June as well, because he says that it's all about quality for AkzoNobel. To be able to procure and make quality paints, you need to procure quality products, and that's the reason why they have hiked prices a little more liberally. Of course, this is a bit of a challenge because on one hand you have to tackle with that rise in prices, but on the other hand, you want to be able to maintain, or even in fact for that matter gain market share. Rajiv does say that yes, when they lost market share in 2017, they've been working on how to regain and reclaim that. That's going to be a little tough, but nevertheless he says that you have to maintain a balance between market share and maintaining profitability as well.